The fall has arrived and you know what that means, holiday gift giving. And I want to give a giveaway to you guys. It's the Vitamix Venturist V1200 with the perfect blend scale. And I'm going to show you guys how to win one. There's just something special about seeing that Vitamix box arrive at your doorstep. The experience is so exciting. Now, if you guys have been following my recent videos, you'll know that I've been talking a lot about the Vitamix Venturist V1200. And it's that kind of middle child between the classic Vitamix machines and the Ascent models. It has the manual controls of the classic, but it offers some of the features of the Ascent. Now, features like the included 20-ounce blending cup and is compatible with the 8-ounce blending bowls that are sold separately. So Blending with Henry teamed up with Vitamix to give away the entire package, which includes a certified reconditioned Vitamix Venturist V1200 64-ounce container, Tamper, recipe book, 20-ounce blending cup, and the Vitamix Perfect Blend scale. Now I've shown you guys the Venturist V1200 in action with the Perfect Blend scale, making some easy recipes, such as the strawberry vinaigrette. Now, I've also demonstrated how your smartphone or tablet uses the app to add more preset functionality to your V1200. Now, I can't wait to hand this package to one of my viewers. It's a win-win. If you guys want to stay updated of more giveaways, exclusive recipes, blending tips, and more, please subscribe to my newsletter on blendingwithhenry.com. So you guys, if you're ready to enter the Venturist Perfect Blend giveaway, here are the contest rules. To enter the Venturist Perfect Blend giveaway, then you must subscribe to my YouTube channel and post a comment your reasons for wanting to win the Vitamix Venturist V1200 package. And you have to like me on Facebook or follow me on Instagram. And you must have a valid Facebook or Instagram account and tag 3 friends on either social media account to alert them about the Blending with Henry contest. Now the winner will be chosen randomly between Facebook and Instagram. Now, one Vitamix Venturist V1200 package with the Perfect Blend scale will be awarded to one winner, and the contest is for USA residents only. Thank you so much. The contest runs from October 15th, 2019 through October 20th, 2019, and the winner will be chosen and announced following the end of the contest. As always, your continued support is appreciated, so please remember to click the bell icon after you hit the subscribe button to receive alerts when I put up new videos. Now, if you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button, and thank you so much. Alright you guys, good luck and have fun.